Hi, in front of me is RUGGEAR RG655 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. First of all, you need to select an app, for example settings, and click home button. Then select the other app, I will go with Opera, and click home button again. Then you need to click on the right button over here, the square one, and tap on the icon of an app. Select split screen. Then click on the other app, and as you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!